Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Top tips. If the sauce isn't thick enough, you can add 1 more tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk it in. But remember, the sauce will thicken even more as it cools down. So only add more cornstarch if the sauce is way too thin. 3 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's not recommended to use baking powder or baking soda as a substitute for cornstarch. Baking soda adds a particular flavor, and both of them have specific chemical properties, which is why they act as leavening agents. To use them in soups or sauces may not yield the results you want. 2 December 2019.
Take our lead.
For each cup of liquid you want to thicken, start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a small bowl. Add an equal amount of cold liquid and stir until smooth paste forms. This is your slurry. Whisk the slurry into the hot, simmering liquid that you want to thicken. 7 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Cornstarch imparts a glossy sheen to the liquids it thickens, so it tends to be used more in sweet sauces and pie fillings than in savory sauces and gravies. Still, it works really well, and it's easy to use. For each cup of liquid you want to thicken, start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a small bowl. 7 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.